Mechanism, law, institution, bodies, provisions relating to women. First being Article 15 Clause 3. The state is allowed to make special provisions for women and children. The first being Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. In 1950s, there were a lot of cases wherein women were burnt alive because they didn't give dowry to their in-laws. And so for this, IPC 498A was started. There is this reverse law that started after then, Indian Evidence Act 1872. Here, the boy who is accused has to prove his innocence. For example, there is this woman and this is her husband. So she accused this guy that he asked for dowry. Now, previously it was like the girl has to prove that he has asked for dowry, but now the male has to prove his innocence that he didn't ask for it. Dowry before marriage and after marriage both are illegal under IPC 498A. Second is Protection of Women Against Domestic Violence Act 2005. This can be physical violence or psychological violence. Both come under IPC section 498A. There is this marital rape which is also prohibited, and this can make the person go for 3-year imprisonment. The women were also protesting that IPC 376 should not use this 3-year imprisonment. Instead, death penalty should be given. In Article 23, this prohibits immoral trafficking for forced labor, prostitution of flesh trade, and brothel or pimp are illegal here. Immoral Trafficking Protection Act 1986. Person involved in this will be given 1 to 3 year imprisonment or 2 to 5 year imprisonment based on the crime he has done. Immoral trafficking is forcing someone to go for all these activities, alright? Then Article 39 is Equal Wage for Equal Work, that is Equal Remuneration Act 1976. Earlier you could see that male and females, when they were in the same jobs, be it the labor, male were given higher salary in comparison to the female. But this law prohibits the unequal treatment between male and female. Both have to be given the same wage. In Article 40, which is representation of women in the Panchayati Raj institutions. Then Article 42, Free Pregnancy Care and Child Delivery, Maternity Benefit Act 2017. So the women working in public and private sector, working women, they'll be given 26 weeks paid leave. All right, and this is applicable to married women for the first 2 live births. So these all things are implemented by the police, judiciary, administration, and there is this body, NCW. NCW is National Commission for Women, that was made in 1990, right? Please do not check out this because it is something that I was understanding. So yeah, this is not a part of your notes.